Today I'm going to teach you how to properly get your curls and do a nice handlebar mustache. I don't know if you have a beard competition coming up, you're getting married, whatever it is for your sweet mustache. I'm going to show you how I do it, and if you want to use my tips, go ahead. So, all right, let's get started. Here we go. All right, guys, I like to do this usually when I get out of the shower because your mustache hairs are a little bit more easy to work with. They're a little bit softer out of the shower and everything, and then I like to put my beard oil on, then my beard balm, and do that whole routine so it's a little bit easier to work through the actual mustache hairs. I do like to use a little bit of my Bossman Mud Stache Wax. That'll give it a little bit more control. I already put it on, so you kind of can see where it's getting out of my mouth and getting ready to start this process. So what I like to use, you can use whatever hairspray you like the best. A lot of the competition guys like the Got2b hairspray. I prefer the silver bedhead. A good friend of mine taught me this process, and he is the #1 world champion in the mustache category for many years now. He's an Austin Facial Hair Club guy, and he's a badass. His name's Jackie. So thank you again, Jackie, for the tips. So what I like to do is you want to use your fingers. You want to spray the hairspray. Don't just spray your mustache right away. So you just kind of spray like that, and then get that hairspray all the way through and start that hardening process. And what I like to do is start in the middle here and get this. I like to do one half at a time. So start on this whole side. So get that process going over here and get that line going right there. So once you start the movement going, go like that. And then do it again. Keep the process up. You can twist it as you go, just like that. And so once you start getting a little wet, I'm trying to hurry this process up so this video doesn't take forever. You want to use your hair dryer once you get your curls going. I like to start on the bottom of the curl and then slowly kind of make sure it's coming up and around, just like that. Don't worry about all this mess yet. You're going to clean that up towards the end. See how I got that started now? All right, that's a good start. Takes a little while, so be patient with it. All right, so once you got that going, get some more hairspray. Get the tips like that. Keep curling it. Boom. Pretty good curl, man. Check that out. So it's just a start, That's one side getting done. So I'm going to do the other side, and let's keep going. Keep it up. Some will fall out of the place, You want to just keep squirting your fingers and keep going, man. It'll eventually listen to you. And if you need to wash your fingers, they will get a little sticky. So just wash them in the sink, and it'll help out with that stickiness. Once again, get the bottom base started. Work it around. Once you start getting good at it, it'll listen to you. And this stuff will hold all day, so don't be scared to use a lot. Oh, that's a good one. So check that one out. All right, this one needs a little bit of work, but you get the gist of it. Now you know the process of making a nice little handlebar mustache. So check that out. Once again, subscribe, guys. I'm Stephen Condon, Bossman Brands, your favorite company, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.